Karthik Vikram. Please come on the stage. Parents, please applaud them. Clap everyone.
Parents, kindly cheer the child.
Sutar Karthik.
Round of applause.
The second prize from Junior KG Fancy Dress Competition, Dadi Angel Lalji.
Big round of applause.
From Senior KG Speech Competition, the winner is Kanojia Preeta Ravi.
Parents, kindly cheer up the child.
Now starting with the art exhibition prizes. From first standard candle making, prize goes to Sheikh Ayat Arshad. From standard second bookmarking making competition, the award goes to Farooqi Zia ur Rahman, Falsoor Rahman.
Clap everyone. These are your kids. Let's cheer up.
From third standard based out of waste, prize goes to Sheikh Shanjuddin Masoom. From fourth standard model of Future City, award goes to Raval Devansh Umesh. From fifth standard ornaments making out of mold in clay, the award goes to Saifi Zara Naz Shaki. Sixth standard. Please clap, parents. Sheikh Zara Saifi. Sixth standard fabric designing award goes to Vaishya Vaishnavi Shiv Shankar.
Give a big round of applause, parents. Come on.
Seventh standard articles out of newspaper. The prize goes to Lohar Nisha Ramesh. From 8th standard satellite making competition, award goes to Yadav Ambu Jai Singh. Parents, please clap for him. Now Prashant sir will be distributing the further prizes. Standard 9, robot making competition. The award goes to Saroj Bhumi Suresh. Parents, please keep on clapping. Now we are starting
Hope
with
everyone has enjoyed that last science exhibition. बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छे से साइंस एग्जीबिशन में परफॉर्म किया था. मोस्ट आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट सेकेंडरी के सारे बच्चों ने उसमें परफॉर्म किया था. इट इज़ वेरी वंडरफुल. और मतलब these are not only the winners, सारे बच्चे विनर हैं क्योंकि सब ने परफॉर्म किया है उसमें. ओके
Now starting with the science exhibition prizes. In the junior group, first prize goes to Model of Eye. The participants were Pandey Sneha Manoj, Mansoori, Sadika Khatun, Mohammad Noor, Prajapati Rudra Dhruv. They are from standard 6. Parents, please keep on clapping for them. Parents, keep on clapping for them. Congrats. Students, cheer up for your friends. Now second prize goes to rainwater harvesting to standard 5th. The participants were Kesarwani Ayushi Pradeep, Khan Alina Iftiar, Sheikh Rayan Naeem, Sheikh Farhan Mumtaz, Madhav Himanshu Mangilal, Mali Bharat Amrit. Participants, please come on the stage. Students, please cheer up for them. Parents as well. And third prize goes to Light Travels in Straight Line to Standard 7. The group participants are Gupta Neha Karuna Prasad, Sayyid Tanya Parveen Anwar Ali, Gupta Kirti Umesh, Raul Jay Dattadas, Puri Ronak Jagdish. Please participants come on the stage. Students, cheer up your friends. Please clap for them. Clap, parents. Now in the senior group, we have prize for 3 groups. The first prize goes to Transport and Communication. The participants of Standard 9, Soni Archana Santosh, Vaishya Piyush Dilip, Vaishya Krishna Ashok, Kavde Saish Pandarinath. Cheer up, guys. Parents, please clap for them.
for Adel Setu.
And the third prize goes to Working Model of Art. The participant was Sheikh Rukaiya Aslam. Rukaiya, please come on the stage. Parents, please cheer up for her.
Just explain about your. Yeah, it was a part of science exhibition. These boys actually performed with the group, but she performed with her mother. Actually, the heart model. They explain the heart model.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ruka. I am studying in 9th standard. Today I want to tell you about heart model. Heart job. Heart job is a pump heart. It's an oxygen rich body to the blood. It's an oxygen pure blood to the lungs. Heart parts. Hearts have 4 parts, clumpers and views. It in a chest, a bit of left side. And have to move blood. Have to move blood. Move blood to the lungs. After the lungs, it goes to the rest of the body. And females have 250 to 200 grams in heart, and males have 300 to 350 grams. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now the Best Student Awards. In primary section, the Best Student Award goes to Malik Sayan Amir Ali from Standard 2nd A. He scored 98% in his academics. Please come on the stage. Parents, please clap for him. Award goes to the student from Standard 2nd B, Yadav Anushka Kavilash. She scored 97% in her academics this year. Cheer up, students. Now in secondary section, the Best Student Award goes to Pandey Sneha Manoj of Standard 6. She scored 95.67%. Parents, please clap for her. And the second award of Best Student goes to student of Standard 5th A, Chauhan Utsav Raghuveer. He scored 90.50%. Congratulations. Sorry parents, we have left with one more prize of science exhibition. The second prize was to Standard 8. The project name was Agriculture, and the participants were Giri Rakhi Sanjay, Pandey Ishika Rajesh, Tiwari Anuj, Arun Kumar, Sayyid Huda Shanawaz, Lad Ketan Vilas. Parents, cheer up कीजिए. And students, please cheer up for your friends.
Thanks a lot, parents. Thanks. One more performance. One and the last. One more prize. Oh, last year. Now we have last year's topper, 10th standard, Anjali Patel, Karan Gupta, and Aditi Gupta. Please come on the stage. The state board last year toppers of Little Star English School. ये हमारे लास्ट ईयर के 10th स्टैंडर्ड के टॉप परफॉर्मेंस है. आफ्टर दिस वी हैव लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस और एक डांस होने वाला है. पेरेंट्स बी सीटेड. और एक लास्ट डांस परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है.
The first topper, Patel. Now Prashant sir will be giving the prizes for our SSC toppers. Patel Anjali Manoj on the first position. Congratulations. Parents, please clap for her. Our second topper, Gupta Karan Chandra Prakash. Congratulations. And our topper, Gupta Aditi Ravi. Congratulations, beta. Parents, please keep on clapping for her. Thank you. Now moving towards the last performance. Priya Miss, please announce. Soumya Miss will be announcing about it.
Before we conclude our event, I would like to call 8th standard students for their closing performance on Vande Mataram.